4 POS 5 bdrs. Some elevation and long covered porch across the front give this home very attractive curb appeal. Sunny main level. Gate is open to live room west/ventless gas log fireplace. Home has casual and formal din room. Patio doors in live room open to elevated deck. Laundry is also on the main level. There are 4 bdrs up or 3 bdrs in bonus room, also updated bath west/double sinks. Master ensuite has large closet. Walkout basement is finished with a fam room, BDR and full bath. Patio doors in fam room open to covered patio. Carpet in BDRS and basement installed 21. Vinyl plank throughout main level installed 20. Roof replaced in 20 west/impact resistant shingles, warranty will transfer to new buyer. New gutters west/leaf guard 20. Water heater 21.